Assalamu alaikum guys, it's me Talha, and in today's basic Revit tutorial I'm going to show you how to create sloped ceiling in Revit. Let's get started. So here I'm in Revit, and as you can see I have already opened this project. Let's create the sloped ceiling. And by the way, if you don't know how to create the sloped and vertical window like this in Revit, you can check out my tutorial. Just follow the link in the description. Anyway, let's go to level 2 here in the ceiling plans, and right now you can see the whole roof is not visible here, so we need to edit the view range. Just press VR on your keyboard and change the view range to 3 feet. Click OK, and now we can see the whole roof here. Let's create the ceiling. Just go to architecture, select ceiling, and then sketch ceiling, and draw a rectangle here like so, and let's create the opening for this window here. So just use lines and draw the lines around this window, and then press SL on your keyboard to split this line, and then TR and trim. Now to create the slope on this ceiling, you need to use this slope arrow button. Just click on it and just draw an arrow here like so. Now select this arrow and change the specify to slope, and we will adjust the height offset and the slope in the section view. So first just click finish and draw a section here. Now just go to the section view, and here we have the ceiling. To change the slope of the ceiling, you can just select that, and here you have the slope, but right now you can see it's showing in the inches. To change this to degrees, you just need to change the project units. Just press UN on your keyboard to open up the project units dialog box, and here in the slope you can just click here and select the decimal degrees from this drop down, and click OK again, and select the ceiling, and you can see now it's showing in the degrees. Let's try 25 or 35 maybe. Select the ceiling, use move, and just place that here. Now you can see it actually did not align perfectly to this roof, so there is a way to figure out which angle works fine with the ceiling here. Just press escape and select this roof, edit footprint, and it will tell us to go to any of these views. Let's go to the level 1 here, and now if I go here in the dimensions, we have the slope, and the slope for this roof is 36.87. so we need to use the same with the ceiling also. So let's close that and go back to section view, select the ceiling, and here put the same slope as this roof. So it is 36.87, and then use move and just place that here. Perfect. Now you can see it's perfectly aligned to this roof. Let's mirror this. DM for mirror, mirror from the middle, and then we need to edit the ceiling because we have created the opening here before for the window. So just click edit boundary, go to the top view and delete this opening, and just join this line here. Let's hide this wall, and you can see we have created this sloped ceiling here, and you can easily place the light components. So this was a quick tip I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you have learned something new, so please make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications, and don't forget to check out my interior courses. You can follow the first link in the description. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.